Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete guide on how to format your PC and perform a clean reinstallation of Windows 10. This is essentially a factory reset that will wipe everything clean and give you a fresh start. Maybe your computer has been running slowly, you're getting lots of errors, or you just want to start over from scratch. Whatever your reason, by the end of this video, you'll have a brand new Windows 10 installation running smoothly on your PC. Now, before we dive in, I need to give you a very important warning. This process will completely erase everything on your computer, and I mean everything. All your files, photos, programs, settings, the works. So please make sure you've backed up anything important before you start. I'll wait while you do that. All right, got your backups ready? Perfect. Let's get started with the factory reset process. First, we need to get into Windows Settings where the reset options are located. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. That's the Windows logo. You can also just press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the Start menu that opens up, look for the gear icon. This is the Settings icon, and it's usually positioned just above the Power button in the left panel. Click on that gear icon to open Windows Settings. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to open Settings directly. Just press Windows key plus I at the same time. That's a quick way to get there without navigating through the Start menu. Once Settings opens, you'll see a bunch of categories like System, Devices, Phone, Network and Internet, and so on. We're not interested in any of those right now. What we want is Update and Security. You'll find this option toward the bottom of the Settings window. It has a circular arrow icon next to it. Go ahead and click on Update and Security. Great! Now you're in the Update and Security section. On the left side of the window, you'll see several options. Click on Recovery in that left sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. On the Recovery page, you'll see a few different options. The main one we care about is at the top, and it's called Reset This PC. This is the feature that will format your computer and reinstall Windows. All right, now click the Get Started button under Reset This PC. A new window will pop up titled Choose an Option. This is where you make your first important decision. You'll see two options. Option 1, Keep My Files. This option reinstalls Windows but preserves your personal files, things like documents, photos, videos, and music stored in your user folders. However, it will still remove all your installed applications and reset all your settings back to default. Think of this as a partial reset. Option 2, Remove Everything. This is the nuclear option, the complete factory reset. It erases absolutely everything on your computer, all your files, all your programs, all your settings. Your computer will be exactly as it was the day Windows 10 was first installed on it. This is what we want for a truly clean start. For this tutorial, and for the cleanest possible reinstall, I'm going to select Remove Everything. Click on that option. After you click Remove Everything, Windows needs a moment to prepare, and then another window appears with more options. Now you'll see How would you like to reinstall Windows with two choices. Cloud Download. This option downloads a completely fresh copy of Windows 10 directly from Microsoft servers over the internet. The advantage is that you're getting the absolute latest version of Windows without any potential corruption. The disadvantage is that it requires a stable internet connection and will download about 3 to 4 gigabytes of data, which could take a while on slower connections. Local Reinstall. This option uses the Windows installation files that are already stored on your computer's hard drive. It's faster because nothing needs to be downloaded, and it doesn't require an internet connection. However, if your current Windows files are corrupted, this might carry some issues over. For most people, I recommend Local Reinstall because it's faster and works even without internet. However, if you suspect your Windows files might be corrupted, or if you have a good internet connection, go ahead and choose Cloud Download. I'm going to select Local Reinstall for this demonstration. Click on your preferred option. After selecting your reinstall method, you'll see a screen that says Additional Settings with a link that says Change Settings. This is important, so click on Change Settings. A new panel opens with two toggle switches. Clean Data? When this is turned on, Windows doesn't just delete your files, it actually overwrites them multiple times to make sure they can't be recovered using special software. This is especially important if you're selling or giving away your computer. If you're keeping the computer for yourself, this isn't as critical, but it doesn't hurt to turn it on. If you turn this on, be aware that the process will take significantly longer, potentially several hours instead of 30 to 60 minutes. Download Windows. This toggle appears if you chose Local Reinstall earlier. If you turn this on, it will switch to downloading Windows from the cloud instead. For consistency, let's leave this off since we already chose Local Reinstall. Make your choices based on your situation. For maximum security, if giving away the PC, turn Clean Data on. For speed, if keeping the PC, leave it off. Once you've made your selections, click Confirm to save these settings. You'll return to the previous screen. Now, click Next to continue. Excellent! You're now on the final confirmation screen titled Ready to Reset this PC. Windows will show you a summary of what's about to happen. Before you proceed, make absolutely sure you've backed up all important files, you have at least 4 to 8 gigabytes of free space on your drive, your laptop is plugged in, if applicable, and you're ready to wait for the process to complete. If everything looks good and you're absolutely certain you want to proceed, click the Reset button at the bottom. And that's it. The process has begun. There's no going back now. Once you click Reset, your computer will immediately start the reinstallation process. Let me walk you through what you'll see. Phase 1. Preparing to reset. 0 to 10%. Windows is getting ready to wipe everything. You'll see a percentage indicator showing progress. Phase 2. Resetting this PC. 10 to 100%. This is where the actual work happens. Windows is removing all your files, uninstalling programs, and preparing for the clean install. Your screen might go black, you might see the Windows logo with a spinning circle, and the percentage will slowly climb. During this entire process, your computer will restart several times, maybe 3 to 5 times, or even more. This is completely normal. Don't panic when the screen goes black or when you see the computer rebooting. Important: do not turn off your computer during this process. Interrupting the reset can leave your Windows installation in a broken state that's very difficult to recover from. Even if it seems stuck at a certain percentage for a long time, be patient. Some stages take longer than others. Just walk away, grab a coffee, and let it do its thing. Eventually, and I promise it will finish eventually, you'll see the Windows setup screen. This means the reinstallation was successful. The setup process is just like when Windows 10 was first installed on your computer. You'll go through several screens. Region selection, choose your country or region. Keyboard layout, select your keyboard layout, usually US or your local language. Additional keyboard layouts, you can add more or skip this. After going through all these setup screens, Windows will finalize your settings and prepare your desktop. You'll see messages like, "This might take a few minutes," and "Getting everything ready." And finally, you'll see the Windows 10 desktop, fresh, clean, and ready to go. Congratulations! You've successfully formatted your PC and reinstalled Windows 10. Your computer is now in a completely fresh state, just like it was brand new. Your PC should now be running much faster and smoother than before. All those years of accumulated junk are gone. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks. If you have any questions or ran into any problems during the process, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your fresh Windows 10 installation.